Hey, how's it going, everybody? In this video, we're going to talk about the terms life insurance policy explained. So what is term life insurance policy? Now, if you're somebody that's studying for your life insurance exam, or you're just looking to get more information about term insurance or the different types of life insurance policies, this is a great video to start with. I'm going to be talking about term insurance and the different types of term insurance policies that they have available for life insurance. So here is a term life insurance policy overview. We're going to talk about what term life insurance is, the three types of term life insurance, as well as the special features that term life insurance policies have. So number one, we have what is term insurance? Well, when I say term, you want to think about temporary coverage for a specific amount of time. And after the specific amount of time is over with, the term policy will expire at the end of the specific period. So with term life insurance policies, people normally get it for maybe 5 years to 10 years to 20, 30, 45 years. It is for a specific amount of time. So here are some characteristics that come with term insurance. Number one we have is pure death protection. So term insurance does not have cash value. It doesn't have a separate savings account that you can invest money with and things of that nature. That's permanent life insurance. So pure death protection. The next one is no loans. You can't pull out any loans on a term life insurance policy. The policy does not mature at death. So when we move on to a different type of policy, which we're going to talk about, permanent whole life, that matures at death. It matures at the age of 100. Of course, term life insurance is the least expensive out of the other life insurance policies. And term life insurance does not build cash value. Alright, so moving on, we're going to talk about the different levels of term insurance. So the basic level is, of course, level term insurance. That's the death benefit that pretty much remains the same for a specific amount of time. So here we see level term insurance. This is just a diagram. And here we see the death benefit or the face amount. So the death benefit and face amount are the same thing. It remains the same over the period of the life insurance policy. And with level term insurance, the premium is the same. It doesn't go up or down. Next, we have decreasing term insurance. Decreasing term insurance is normally used for mortgages, so it's designed to pay off debt. So as we can see over here in the diagram, the decreasing term, the face amount decreases over a specific amount of time. It decreases over the decreasing term life insurance policy. The premium remains the same. So, like I was saying, people normally pull out decreasing term life insurance to pay off debt, to pay off their mortgage, anything that is going to zero out at the expiration date of the decreasing term life insurance policy. Okay, so next we have increasing term insurance. Now, when it comes to increasing term insurance, the face amount goes up every year. So the premium remains the same, however the face amount will continue to increase. Now I did not input a increasing term diagram. I apologize for that. I couldn't find a picture, but it's pretty much the opposite of decreasing term. So the face amount will be going up instead of down. So when it comes to increasing term insurance, this is a popular writing feature that you can add to your life insurance policy, and I talk about riders in another video. I can make another video to specifically talk about the different kind of riders that you can add to your life insurance policy, but for the sake of this video, increasing term life insurance can be used as a rider, which I won't really get into detail because that's not really what this video is about. This video is about term life insurance. So now when it comes to term life insurance, you can also have a return of premium. So what does that mean? That's when the insurance policy pays an additional death benefit to the beneficiary, which will equal the amount of the premium. So this is an add-on that you can add to the term or to the increasing term policy. So moving on, we're talking about the special features that term life insurance has to offer. Now, after your term insurance policy expires, before the expiration date preferably, you have to make a decision. You can either choose to renew your policy, which some people do, or you can choose to convert it, which we're going to be talking about in the next slide. So when it comes to renewing your policy, you want to make sure that you do this before your term life insurance policy ends. And if you do that before it ends, you won't have to have proof of insurability when it becomes that time to renew your term life insurance policy if you decide to do so. So another option that you can do is convert. Term life insurance has this amazing feature where you can convert your term life insurance to a permanent life insurance or whole life. A lot of people do this, especially if you're somebody you wanted term life insurance for a specific amount of time to give yourself time to prepare for a whole life insurance policy. And let's say it becomes that time and you're ready to convert over to a whole life policy. Now, there is going to be a huge increase in the premium rate that you're going to pay, because we already know that term life insurance policy is more expensive than whole life. Is less expensive, Whole life is more expensive than term life. So we got to be prepared for that. Now, another thing with converting over to whole life or permanent life insurance, you do not need proof of insurability. Okay, so that pretty much concludes. That's pretty much it for this video. We talked about, what term life insurance policy is, the different types of term life insurance policies, as well as the special features that term life insurance policies has to offer. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, make sure to leave them down in the comments down below. And if you're somebody you're looking for life insurance, or you haven't got coverage yet, or whatever it is, you can schedule a 15 to 30 minute meeting with me to discuss all things life insurance. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.